Oh, hello, dear. Now, I know what you're thinking. What does Grandma know about crypto? Well, I may not have grown up with iPhones and TikToks, but I do know a thing or two about money. Just like a well-organized drawer brings a sense of peace, understanding your finances can bring a sense of security and joy. So today, I'm going to break down this crypto thing in a way that even your grandpa would understand. Grab a cookie, get comfy, and let's dive in. Back in my day, money was simple. Cash in the purse, coins in the piggy bank, and maybe a little under the mattress for emergencies. We knew exactly what we had, and it brought a sense of comfort. But times have changed, haven't they? Cryptocurrency is like digital money. You can't hold it in your hand, but it has real value, just like those crisp dollar bills or a shiny gold coin. It runs on something called a blockchain. Think of it like my old recipe book. Once written, it can't be changed. That's how blockchain keeps crypto transactions safe and secure. Cryptocurrency is decentralized, meaning it doesn't belong to any one government or institution. It's like a community garden. Everyone contributes, and everyone benefits. This offers a sense of freedom and control over finances. Now, you can't just walk into a store and ask for Bitcoin like you do with a loaf of bread. You have to buy it on something called a crypto exchange. Think of it like an online farmer's market, but instead of fresh produce, you're buying digital coins. Some of the big names you might have heard of are Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. These platforms act as intermediaries, connecting buyers and sellers in the crypto marketplace. Always check reviews and make sure the platform is safe and secure before you start buying. Once you've selected an exchange, you'll need to create an account and verify your identity. Once you're all set up, you're ready to start browsing the crypto market and make your first purchase. Now, you wouldn't leave your cash lying around the house, would you? You wouldn't leave the cookie jar open on the counter, tempting fate and hungry grandkids. It's the same with cryptocurrency. You need a safe and secure place to store it, a crypto wallet. Crypto wallets come in two main flavors, hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are online and convenient for transactions, but riskier. Cold wallets are offline, super safe, and perfect for storing larger amounts of crypto. Choosing the right wallet depends on your needs and risk tolerance. Chapter 4. Crypto and Scams. Don't let the wolf guard the henhouse. Crypto can be as safe as a grandmother's hug if you're careful and use common sense. But there are bad apples in the crypto world too. They prey on folks who think they've found a shortcut to riches. If someone says, invest $500 and make $5,000 overnight, you tell them, Grandma said, no way. It's like a recipe that claims you can bake a cake in 5 minutes. It just doesn't add up. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Building wealth takes time, whether it's through careful saving, smart investments, or even dabbling in crypto. Rule number 1, never ever share your private keys. Those keys are like the combination to your safe. You wouldn't share them with just anyone, would you? Now listen up, my little sugar plum. Don't go putting your whole retirement fund into crypto. Remember how I always say, everything in moderation, especially when it comes to those delicious chocolate chip cookies. Well, the same goes for crypto investing. Start small, just like you would dip your toes in the pool before jumping in head first. Maybe $10, $50, or even $100. Only what you can afford to lose without losing sleep. Because let me tell you, crypto goes up and down faster than my old rocking chair on a windy day. Think of it like seasoning a pot of soup. You add a little bit at a time, tasting as you go, until you achieve that perfect balance of flavor. You wouldn't dump the entire salt shaker in at once, would you? Same goes for crypto. Gradual and measured is the way to go. Don't let those flashy headlines fool you. Bitcoin to the moon. While it's true that crypto has the potential for high rewards, it also comes with its fair share of risks. Just like life, it's all about finding that sweet spot between excitement and caution. Okay, so you've taken the plunge and bought yourself some shiny new crypto. Congratulations. But now you might be wondering, what can I actually do with it? First off, you can simply hold on to it like a treasured family heirloom. Some folks call this hodling. Don't ask me why. It's just one of those crypto things. Then there's the exciting world of crypto shopping. Yes, you can use your digital coins to buy real-world goods and services. More and more businesses are accepting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as payment. And of course, there's always the option of trading your crypto, just like those Wall Street folks do with stocks. Buy low, sell high. That's the name of the game. All right, my dear, let's gather round the warm glow of the computer screen. Crypto is digital money, exciting, full of potential, but not without its risks. It's like a new recipe. It takes a little time and patience to get it just right. Choose a trusted exchange and a secure wallet. Start small, invest wisely, and stay safe from scams. Well, that's all the crypto wisdom Grandma has for you today. I hope you found our little chat helpful and maybe even a little bit fun. Remember, learning new things keeps our minds sharp and our hearts young. Now be a dear and like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who thinks crypto is just a sci-fi movie. And if you have questions, leave them in the comments. Grandma's got answers.